get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day, lovelies. Welcome back. So today we're making pizza scones. Oh, yeah. First thing we need to do is preheat our ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. We need a baking tray with some baking paper. I'll write the recipe below as always, but we'll just go through quickly what we need, alright? So we're going to need self-raising flour. Now with the grated cheese, I've just got the plain old pizza cheese, but you can use any grated cheese you've got. We're going to need 1 cup of it to go in and half a cup to go on top. I'm supposed to have 1 cup of chopped ham, but I don't have any ham, so I have got 1 cup of chopped bacon. Now we need a 225-gram can of pineapple slices. I've only got the 440, so I'll just have to grab half out. Now if you've only got the pieces, that's fine, you'll just have to cut them smaller. But if you're going out to buy it, just grab the slices anyway, because for some reason they're cheaper than the pieces and the crush. I'm not really sure why. Alright, we're going to need a little bit of salt, some tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can use tomato sauce. Or you can use a little bit out of a dolmio jar of pasta sauce. I'm going to use a little bit of barbecue sauce as well, but that is optional. And a cup of milk. That's all we need for this one. Alright, first thing we need to do is sift 3 cups of self-raising flour into a large bowl. Now to that we want to add a teaspoon of salt, our 1 cup of cheese, our 1 cup of ham or bacon. Or at this stage, if you want to, you can put all different things in there. So what I would suggest is, say if you want to throw a few olives in there and a few of those disgusting, what are they called? Those things that look like bait. Anchovies, that's the one. So instead of just your whole cup of ham, you can have like half a cup of ham, quarter of a cup of olives, quarter of a cup of capsicum and something else in there and that. As long as you just fill up the 1 cup, you can throw anything you want in. I mean, even cooked chicken and that as well, like chicken pizzas, you know what I mean? Like anything you want, but just make it to that 1 cup only. Alright, now we need pineapple slices and we need to chop them up nice and small. Okay, so 225 grams works out to 4 pineapple slices. Alright, now we just want to mix all that through well. Alright, once we've mixed that through, make a hole in the middle. And now we want to grab out 1 cup of milk. Alright, chuck that in there. And now we want to mix it up to a dough. Alrighty, once all our dry ingredients are wet. It's always a good day when our dry ingredients are wet. Alright, a little bit of flour on them, on your hands. Let's get it into a ball. Alright, we don't want to use too much flour and we don't want to knead it for very long. We just want to get it workable. Like that. Put a bit of flour on the surface. So I'll just roll it in the flour and do this once. So I'm not really pushing down and kneading like people do. I'm just trying to get it into one nice firm ball. Okay, let's push it down a bit. A little bit of flour on top. A little bit of flour on our roller. And now we want to roll it out. Alright, just push it in together like that so we can actually get it to the same thickness all over. We want roughly 2 centimetres. Okay, now we need a 6 centimetre cutter. I've only got a 6.5 centimetre one, so it's going to have to do. So if you measure from side to sides, it'll be 6 centimetres you want. Put a little bit of flour on it and start cutting them out. Bang them on our tray. Okay, once we've cut the first lot out, you're going to constantly need to flour just because of the pineapple more than anything. Alright, get it into a ball again without doing too much to it. Same thing over. And just cut the rest out. Now if you're going to use the correct size cutter, 6 centimetre one instead of 6.5, you'll probably get a couple more. So mine will probably just take a couple more minutes to cook as well because they're that fraction bigger. Alright, now I'm going to get a bit of tomato paste and I'm going to smush it over the top of them. So if you don't have tomato paste, you can do it with a little bit of sauce, or you can do it with like your dolmio or any of your little pasta sauces. I love using a little bit of barbecue sauce as well, but you don't have to. And then we want to sprinkle our half a cup of cheese on top. Alright, as soon as our oven is hot enough, we want to bang them in there. Oh my god, it smells amazing up in here. 25 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh baby, So the way to tell if they're ready is you just stick a skewer in, and if they come out clean, they're ready. Alright, let's crack one of these bad boys open. I freaking love these. There's something different, really filling. Smash that butter or margarine. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Pizza scones. Give them a crack. Your family's gonna love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.